going to go on the baby Ferris wheel. No, why don't you want to go on my ride? Because your ride's lame. No, you can go up into the clouds. But you can't actually. Yes, you can. Where's Creme? Whee! Creme! Hello, everybody. Hi, Joe Linda. Would you like to come on my ride? No, I'm going to go onto the baby Ferris wheel. Yay! No, why does nobody want to come onto my amazing ride? It's way better than that baby Ferris wheel.
Amazing ride?
Let's all go on. What? There's not enough room for all of you. Yes, there is, but there's only 2 seats.
Let's go! No!
Ha ha ha!
My ride's so much better, it's so much...
Stop! Stop!
Huh? Hi, Freya!
Why are you arguing?
Because my ride's better. No, mine is.
They're both as good as each other. Now stop arguing.
Okay, we'll let the others decide what they want to go on more. Yeah.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Sylvania Family's videos.